Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to fix EA Sports FC25, and the problem is DirectX function error. Like you are getting this kind of error where you will facing some get device remove reason. So here I am going to talk the solution about this problem in this video. I hope you will watch the video in the end. So here you can see this is the easily we can overcome this issue. So first of all, how to fix FC25 DirectX error. If FC25 is crashing due to DirectX errors, try this effective solution. So you can update your graphics drivers if you want. So you can do it by this way. First of all, visit website of your graphic card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. Then download and install latest drivers for your GPU and restart your PC and try launching FC25 again. If this does not work, then we have second option, that is reinstall DirectX. So you can do it. Reinstall DirectX can fix corrupted or missing DirectX component. Download the latest DirectX version from Microsoft official website, then run the installer and follow the instruction to update DirectX. Restart your PC and test the game to see if the error persists. Third one will be verify game files. So you can verify game files by going this option for Steam user. Right click on FC25 in your library, select properties, then go to install files and click verify integrity of game files. For other launches, find the repair options and follow the prompts. Again, then we need to go on adjust in-game graphics setting. High graphics setting can sometimes trigger DirectX errors. So you can see disable. Other option will have, that is disable overlays and background apps. So in this way we can fix our DirectX error if we want to fix our situation or problem. So I hope this video will help you. If you watch this video till the end, then you already gain so much knowledge about the issue. Now you can easily fix your problem. I hope this video will help you, and if you think this video really help you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.